if you want to go fast, go alone, and if you want to go far, go together. So, commonly people tend to distract by the politics at the workplaces, maybe due to bad bosses or deadlines, priorities, conflicting things which really affect them. And but believe me, it's just a noise, and it does not matters when it comes to your success. How to express yourself to impress people and gain success in life. This method is a secret sauce which I will share with you today. Step 1, find fascinating goals. Step 2, create actionable real life strategies. Step 3, be perfect and practice it again and again. So, ready to capture and captivate people at the workplace, and let's go to work. So, hey there, this is Dr. Sapna, and you're watching my talk. In this video, I am going to tell you how to express to impress the people at your workplace. Your key to the success is your belongingness. And stay tuned with me throughout this video to learn the success rules. First thing which I would like to share with you is very simple, is being accurate. If you are accurate in doing things, you have the key of success. See how it works. Being accurate means you have the power to convince people, and people trust on you. Whatever you will say, you will do it first. Second thing, your commitments are on time, and third thing, you will give relevant and accurate information. This is the magical thing. You will be great in your work practices if you follow the accuracy. Your accuracy is key to your success. See what happens if you do small mistake, might be a small number in the spreadsheet, but you lose the things. It sounds very bitter or harsh that people will not trust you, but believe me, they will not trust you if you'll do small mistake. How to avoid this mistake? Do take a deep breath. See what happens if you are sending a mail to anyone. It's very important to check it once. If you'll check your mail, take a fraction of seconds, 30 seconds, take a deep breath inside and outside and check what you're sending will be the appropriate key to the success. If you send it in the irrelevant form, it will have the bad mark on your reputation. So it's bit important to be on time, and if you are not able to present your thing early but at least accurate form on the given deadlines, it is appropriate. Second important thing is be early at work. Be early at work. If you want to be amazing at your work, then you have to be early at work. 1 hour in the work in peace is quite worthy than 2 hours in the office with other people. So when you are an hour early, you can accomplish your task very easily. You can read and reply to all important outstanding emails. You can review a calendar. You can make your portfolio. You can research your things. You can have a time for last minute preparation. You can review your to-do list, and indeed you can check your favorite website. And believe me, if you want to be a wonderful and amazing person at the work, be early at work. Very important thing which you can do is turn in your work early. Means aim to deliver your work 24 hours in advance of the deadline. If your superiors or your boss ask you to do something on Thursday 5 p.m., how about you send your work on Wednesday 5 p.m.? If you send it Wednesday 5 p.m. means you are 24 hours early. It's very impressive to deliver something a day before rather than in the morning or after the deadlines. So you must guarantee your work early. Think of your performance index. See, if you are 24 in advance, when you will get promoted, if you are on the same day in the deadline, or you are after the deadline, or you are not able to submit your work on deadline. Beware that if you are after deadlines, you will be the fired one. So people keep those persons who are ahead in the work. So try to do your work as it is assigned to you, and keep the people in proper flow by giving them information by your emails and record. So next important thing is communication of your work. It's very important to communicate what you have done. Most probably I have listened from many people that they are not getting the credit of actually what they have done. It sounds very harsh, but it's an inherent truth that if you do the work, it's very important to tell your superiors by preparing a proper reports and presenting it in a wonderful manner that you have done your work simply in a very wonderful manner. So simple truth is that it is not enough to do the work. It is important to deliver the information that work is done in a proper format. So communication goes in two ways, inbound and outbound. Your goal should be to stress more on outbound communications. Outbound communications means your updates, your progress reports, your agenda. As much you can show that you have done the work in a wonderful manner is very important. And your inbound communication and concern when you tell people what you have done. But believe me, if you are able to do outbound communication in a wonderful manner, it will help you to accomplish your task wonderfully at your workplace. So look it more closely, observe it more closely, and prefer outbound communications. Important thing is your presentation skills. You can see my video exclusive on the presentation skills. Here I will give you the outline, what you have to keep in mind before making any presentation. It creates a simple framework or a message. You are going to deliver the things in an appropriate manner. So good news is that once you structure it properly, it will help you to become a great presenter. So what your presentation should have, it should have overview. You should explain the structure, you should give a good headlines and quote, you should present your topic in a wonderful manner, you should tell them what next you will tell them, and finally you can conclude it. So every aspect, every work, every record, whatever you are maintain, if you are presenting it in a good manner, you are going to be great at your workplace. Going ahead, you should write a good email. Email is the single important means of communication in this corporate world. With going and writing a good email, you will definitely have the impact in your career and your personal life. Your email should have 6 awesome tricks to be wonderful. It should have a good subject, it should have deadlines, it should have a bullet point, it should jump to the conclusion, and it should have the proper attachment. When people will first open it, it should be visible to the reader in first 3 lines what is the meaning of your email, so they should not miss the right information. So take care while writing an email that you should have all probable action steps. Whenever the people scroll them, they get information in first 3 lines without any missing things. So coming to today's bonus tip, the first step to be promoted is setting your goals. It sounds very easy, but most of the people are not promoted because they are not able to set their goals. Your goals will definitely define a strong foundation to your success. So you have to go forward by setting your goals. To speed up your process of goal setting, it's very important to be specific. You have to write your 1 month goal, and to be more specific, you can write your 3 months goal. After writing your 3 months goals, you have to accomplish your big task. You have to accomplish every task being assigned to you in accurate form. You have to be on time or ahead of the time depending on your work. You have to write wonderful emails. You have to present your work in a proper manner. You have to keep people in channel, and of course you have to keep informed your boss about each and everything and progress of your work done. That was all about today's video. Thank you very much. We'll meet very soon.